everybody, I thought it would be fun to open a second box of 2019 Gold Label. I was actually surprised that I had only ordered one to begin with, and they quickly have gone on sale. I mean, they're still, you know, not too far off of their initial release price, but this is one of the more affordable boxes on the market. And that's because you only get one auto, but it is the framed autograph, which is pretty nice. My first one wasn't that great, so I thought I'd take another chance. My parallels were pretty decent. I actually sold the blue Miguel Cabrera for quite a bit. Which, of course, you know, I'm not really in it to... nobody gets rich off selling cards, but to try to recoup money to buy more boxes, so that helped a little bit. Now, my auto from that first box, you know, I could have just given that away, but you never know, I might do better. I've never actually had a really big pull out of Gold Label, but I love the base cards and I love the tiers, so I like opening it regardless. And like I said, at its price point, it's, you know, one of the more affordable breaks. Of course, you only get the one autograph, like I said, and you only get a couple of packs, so either way, I like it. So we're gonna open it. Obviously, that is my autograph. Man, I'd love to get something good for a change. A good autograph. I thought my first box was pretty solid as far as the players that I pulled. There's Tony Gwynn. That is a Class 1. And a JD Martinez. There's a Class 1 Black Chris Davis. Unfortunately, I got that same card in the first box. Ooh, Class 2 Black Ozzie Smith. That's nice. It's one of the reasons I really like this product, is that it has those vet players in it. And DeGrom Class 2. Lindor 1, Real Muto 1, Bench 1, Real Muto 3, and a Miggy Class 2. Donnie Baseball Class 1, Bo Jackson 1, Ichiro 1. There's a Class 1 Black Kershaw. And a Class 2 Chris Bryant. I think I got that card in the first box too. So that's a little bit weird considering how far apart I bought those boxes. And not even from the same seller. So that's kind of bizarre. Alright. Hideki Matsui 1. Mike Trout 1. Arenado 1. Class 3 Johnny Bench. And Class 2 Freddie Freeman. Alright, Machado 1, Severino 1, there's a Class 1 Black George Springer, Class 1 Red Kershaw to 75. Good looking card there. I like the blues, but the reds look good too. And a Class 2 Jose Ramirez. Man, we're flying through. We're down to the last two. Alright, 1 Joey Gallo, 1 Jackie Robinson. That's very nice. That's just a good looking solid card right there. Class 3 Mattingly, Class 2 Kikuchi Black Rookie, and a Class 2 Charlie Blackmon. Alright, time for our autograph. Drum roll, please. I'm trying to open it without seeing the back. I don't remember, there are some cards in here, one on either side. Let's see. I'll pull these out without looking at my autograph. Okay. So that is a Matt Chapman Class 1 and a Mike Trout Class 3. Not bad. Alright, let's pull it out. It is... oh, Max Muncy. Well, again, not the best, but I personally like him, so for me, this is a pretty nice pull. A lot of people like him, and with good reason. He's an exciting player to watch. I wish this had been a parallel version at least. Still, I like it a lot better than my first auto, which was Derek Rodriguez. So, alright, I think on the whole, box 1 was better as far as the actual cards, but I like this auto better. So, that's it. Another box of Topps Gold Label 2019. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. I'll be back soon.